The first desperate attempt this afternoon to clear one of the most serious impacts of the flooding this winter. A machine cuts through the first twisted rail lines at Dawlish, the start of at least 6 weeks of work.
It's huge in terms of engineering scale and I suppose in response to other things we've done in the last 5 or 10 years, it's certainly up there with the biggest challenges we've had.
This is the scale of the task ahead. The huge waves yesterday tore through the defences the railway relies on. This is a key link between Cornwall and the rest of Britain. There have been repeated warnings that it's vulnerable, even before the line opened back in 1847. Now a massive repair operation is needed. What's driving all this is the jet stream flowing high above the Atlantic, and for weeks it's been stuck on a route that forces endless bad weather our way. Here's the system hitting the country right now, but it's just one of many. The next one will reach us tomorrow night. But the conditions have created a kind of conveyor belt out in the ocean, bringing yet more storms to Britain in the coming days. As huge waves batter the coastline, this was Cornwall yesterday, engineers who've worked on flood defence say the country needs to wake up to the dangers.
We are an island nation and we have a lot of exposed coastline. Much of it is a Victorian era and it's deteriorating. On top of that, we've got rising sea level rise, adding pressure, more people living along the coast. So yes, we are a very vulnerable nation.
A bus on the Cornish coast, caught in a weird swirl of foam. No real danger, but the storms are causing some very strange effects. At Lyme Regis yesterday, proof that flowing water really is dangerous. The country's resilience, its ability to cope, are being tested like never before. David Shukman, BBC News.